This is absolutely ridiculous. Hi guys, I am back with a new video. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt as I had in my last video because I'm doing all of these videos at once. Bear with me. But in today's video, I'm giving you an update on this wig right here. This wig is, oh crap, y'all, that's the stock card. One moment, please. Okay, so this wig right here is the Sensational Vixen Curly Body 22-inch wig. I uploaded that video in May. I actually had the wig since April. I had got it for an event, which was, you know, the picture that you had seen in that thumbnail. I actually reviewed and uploaded the video weeks after, like at least a month and some change after. So yeah, this wig is, we have April, okay, so May, June, July. This wig is 4 months old now, and yeah, so somebody had asked me in the comment section of that video for an update, so here it is. So if you guys don't remember, this is a Vixen wig, so there's parts down the center and then one going horizontally, so you can wear this hair up, down, you know, all that good stuff. So I'm just going to show you what the wig is looking like right now. So this texture, y'all, I warned y'all about this texture. It's soft, but it's not as soft as it used to be. So it's going to get a lot harder as this wig gets older. The dangling on this unit is absolutely ridiculous. It's really annoying. So what I didn't tell you guys in the original review, I cut out the knots in the hair to make it look good again. So it's the same technique that I used in my how to maintain synthetic curly hair video, because this is synthetic curly hair. I'll link that video above and down below for you guys. Definitely go check that out if you're interested in reviving your old wigs or crochet hair. But that is how I maintain my curly wigs minus the mousse. I haven't tried mousse on my curly wigs yet. I probably should, that would make sense, but I don't know, man. I did that for the original review and the hair still looked good. I didn't feel the need to say anything because it wasn't that much anyway. I went back and I cut out some more hair right before doing this video, and y'all, do y'all see this? This is absolutely ridiculous. Now, this is due to the fact that I didn't wrap it up in the packaging every night, but also because the texture, like there's no avoiding it. So the hair looks a lot bigger now. Because the curls can't clump like they used to. If you're getting this wig or you're planning on buying this wig, that is something to be aware of. Definitely look out for that. Please always put it in the packaging and save yourself the trouble, sis. Wear it for special events, like I said in the initial review. I don't recommend wearing this for everyday use. It still looks good, don't get me wrong. Like, you know, you would never know that it didn't come like this, but I miss the way that it came, like fresh out of the packaging. It's a lot thinner now, which you guys can't tell because the curls aren't clumped together, which is a great thing. Other than that, I really still love this wig. I don't style this hair in any type of way or put it up or anything like that. I told you guys in the original review that I would not, because I already knew that the texture and the knotting was going to be too bad and the wig wasn't going to last if I did it. There's not as much movement in the wig as there was before, but I still am in love with this wig. I still think that it's worth the price. It's a very good human hair dupe. I still recommend this wig. I will leave the purchase link down below if you're still interested in getting it. It's just unfortunate that it's not the everyday type of wig. If you are going to get this wig, please make sure that you're taking care of it and you're putting it in the packaging and you're not styling it too much so that this wig can last. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let me know if you have any more questions about this unit, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.